You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.